Now what I'm holding in my hand here is contact adhesive, and I gotta tell you, it's a forgotten adhesive and it doesn't get much respect. Here's the thing, you can use Gorilla Glue, you can use Carpenter's Glue, CA Glue. There are a lot of adhesives out there, but seldom do you hear people talk about contact adhesive. So why am I talking about it today? Well, here's the thing. There's something that contact adhesive does better than all those adhesives put together. What it does is this. What I have here, this is called a skin. Now, if you've never heard of a skin, you're not alone. And don't feel bad about it, because I'm going to tell you what a skin is. When you're doing a kitchen and you're putting up kitchen cabinets, the sides of kitchen cabinets, I'm going to move this out of the way because I want to show you something. This is the thing about cabinets. Cabinets are attached side by side by side, okay? And it gives the illusion of finished furniture, because all you ever see is the face frame. You never see the sides of the cabinet. But when we turn it on the side, I want you to notice something. It's bare wood. It's just plywood here. You can see a little bit of the face frame, but it's just bare. So what a skin does is it covers up that bare wood. But here's the thing, in every kitchen, unless it's galley style, okay, where the cabinets are running from one wall to the other, but most kitchens aren't galley style, and because most kitchens aren't, there's always one or two cabinets where the sides are shown. And that's what skins are for. They're to provide a finished look to your cabinets to continue the illusion that it's all one piece of furniture. Now, I started off the video by talking about contact adhesive, also known as contact cement. I don't care if it's Superglue, which is CA glue, Carpenter's glue, polyurethane glue, it does not matter. Nothing equals contact adhesive when it comes to attaching skins to cabinets. And the reason is contact adhesive bonds like that instantly. Now, it comes in a couple different forms, okay? Contact cement, this is a gel here, and you apply it by brushing it on or rolling it on with a roller. And then there's contact adhesive. It's the same thing as the cement here, but you spray it on. And we're going to use the spray because it's going to be the easiest way to apply it. But first, I want to show you, before we put a skin on, I'm going to show you the process. So let's take off the cap. Now I got to tell you, this can has a feature that, well, actually I think is pretty cool. What it does is it allows you to adjust the spray pattern from light to medium to heavy by turning the nozzle. That's pretty cool. Why don't we try medium? That's what we're going to set the spray to. So you got to make certain that you shake the can up really well. Now the way contact adhesive or contact cement works is this. It bonds to itself, and that's why you have to spray both sides of the project that you're working on. If you just spray one side, I can guarantee you it's going to fail on you. It's not going to work. You have to spray both sides of your project. You're just going to spray both, okay? I want to make certain that I get it completely there. Okay. Now I know this is going to sound counterintuitive, but check this out. We have to wait for the adhesive to dry. Dry to touch. A couple minutes have passed. That's all it took was 2 minutes. Make certain that you read the directions on the product you're using, because let me bring this into view. This contact cement here that you apply by roller or brush, it takes like 15 to 20 minutes. The spray adhesive is a lot quicker. It takes 1 to 2 minutes. Just make certain that you read the directions with the product that you're using. Now check this out. Look at that. You see that? It's dry to touch. It's a little tacky, but that's kind of what we want here. Same thing, dry to touch, okay? So let's put these two pieces together and you'll see exactly what I mean. So do you see that? Look at that. So there you go. It's bonded to itself on contact. Okay. Now it's time for us to place our marrying piece on top of the cabinet. Now if this was laminate, which is very flexible, we would use wooden spacers like dowels to separate it. But because this is rigid itself, we're not going to be able to enlist the aid of wooden dowels. So what we have to make certain of is that we line it up perfectly. So I'm just going to tip it like this, okay? Just tip it like that to make certain that I'm lined up before I set it down into place. There we go. I'm pretty confident that that's where we need to be. And now I'm just going to put it into place just like this. There we go. Now what I have here is a roller, okay? And this roller is going to help us make certain that our skin is firmly attached to the cabinet. You've got to make certain that there's no air bubbles and that it really has a secure bond. Now before I apply the roller, let me just push down here on the skin a little bit, make certain that it has contact, which it has. Now we're just going to roll the surface out. So there it is. There's our skin cabinet. This is Leah saying, you can do this.